This is your beautiful living space. So this is a spacious kitchen where you get two granite platforms parallel to each other. So this is our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of VJ Palladio Presidential Suites, which is located near Balewadi High Street, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by VJ Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get the internal road that directly connects you to the Balewadi road. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me tell you about the project's overview. This project will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel, in which you will be getting 5 towers having 2 basement plus ground plus 33 floors, in which you will be getting 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing on the internal road of this project that directly leads to the sales office, and it connects to the Balewadi road. This project is located near Balewadi High Street, Balewadi, पुणे, and इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई पुणे हाईवे विच इज़ 1.7 kilometers away, बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट विच इज़ 1.8 kilometers away, and Jupiter Hospital which is 3.5 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities of this project. This project has 50 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, kids play area, community center, multi-purpose court, table tennis court, squash court and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1143 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entire entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. But before I show you our living space, let me show you that just at the entrance you get a puja area. Now this is your beautiful living space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. And you also get a common wash basin right here. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a spacious kitchen where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony attached to it, where you get a sink, and here you can set up your washing machine and utilities. You also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our first bedroom of this sample flat. So this is the first bedroom of the flat. You can also call it as a kid's bedroom. And this is your first bedroom, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And that is not all. You also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let us check out our second bedroom of this flat. So this is our second bedroom, where just at the entrance you get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And also a shower glass partition. So this is your second bedroom, which is, as you can see, is in pentagon shape, and this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a sitting area space separately where you get windows attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, before I show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out the third bedroom. So this is our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. As you can see, it's very spacious, and this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a wall-to-wall windows attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partitions. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Vijay Palladio Presidential Suites, which is located near Balewadi High Street, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by Vijay Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.